To add fingerprint into the Samsung S26 Ultra, then first of all you will have to open the system settings. Next you will have to scroll down and go for the lock screen and AOD settings. And here we have to go for the screen lock and biometrics. Now input your classic screen lock. Then you have to select a fingerprint. There we go. Now we have to click to continue and now click to register. And as you can see, we have to just put our finger on the sensor and we have to scan every part of our finger to quickly recognize. If it is not working, you got some problems, you can use your second finger. It helps a lot and it really allows us to unlock with two fingers, not with the one. So that's pretty cool trick. Then we can add the another one, but you can also click done and take a look. Now I can unlock with this, but also I can unlock with this.